Hey everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new SSD drive. It's a Samsung 500 gigabytes SSD. It's the 850 EVO, the 3D type. It's the best buy for the buck in our country because it has 5-year limited warranty. And it has the top-notch speeds compared to the pros or to the low end on which other vendors are marketing their stuff. It was a little bent on the side from the... So the drive comes like you see. On the back you have it's kind of pretty nice. Here was turned out from the delivery company. Many thanks to them. Actually, this is glued to the other side. Here you will find some paperwork. Here is the paperwork, the installation guide, manual and software, compact disc. And on the front, sorry for this, the drive itself has fell. If I'm not mistaken, even the drive is a little bit bent here, because I was feeling it through the cover. And it has a little bit of movement here and here. I don't know if this is normal because I didn't review or see in other unboxings. I hope it's not a problem. I know it's not a mechanical drive, but everything else looks okay. Here are, by touching, I feel some screws, so maybe nothing is broken there. And I hope, as you can see, here is a little bit of movement. So this is my unboxing of Samsung SSD 850. I will come next with some benchmarks. I will be installing it on my Lenovo Y720 Legion. It's a gaming laptop, and I will be replacing the standard HDD drive, which is 5200 RPM, if I'm not mistaken, 1 gigabyte. And on the PCI Express 4X, I have an Intel SSD, which despite the fact it's an PCI Express M.2 slot, it has very shitty responsiveness, and I don't have where to test it on my PC. So I hope with this solid state drive I will be fixing that. I will come up with some results and the installation process.